Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Apple Intelligence in your iPhones and how you can get the new Siri in all the iPhones. You guys can see here this all new Siri looks so amazing, so gorgeous. So how you can get the new Siri and Apple Intelligence in your iPhones. As you guys can see here, I got Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you are having iPhone 15 Pro Max or 16 series iPhone and you still didn't get that Siri or the new Apple Intelligence, how you can get that? First of all, just jump to settings and in the general section, tap on software update and make sure you are updated on iOS 18.1. If you are not, make sure you update for iOS 18.1 on update. Okay, so there we go. I have already done that. So in order to do that, after installing, you will see Apple Intelligence and Siri here. So if you're still not getting the Siri after turning it on, you will see join waiting list for AI, right? Hit on that button, and if you're still not getting that, make sure your iPhone's Siri language is set to English US, not any other language. It is not going to work with English Canada, Australia, or English India. Make sure you set it on English US, and that's the big deal. So as you set it on English US, you are good to go. Now Apple will download or iPhone will download some of the steps to work for new Siri. As it downloads, it will notify you that it's ready for use and you will get the new Siri in your iPhone. It having number of features, it's more smart, and you will get too many features in this 18.1 like rewrite tools, so use them. So that's the simple fix. Hope you guys find this matter helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Peace.